What's going on, guys? Today I have my 2010 Acura TSX. We are going to be changing the spark plugs, which is a fairly easy process. This is the V4 engine. So let's jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is remove 4 bolts that is holding this cover into place. So this bolt here, here, right behind this tube here, and right there. So I have a little handy drill with the socket adapter. I'm going to make sure it's in reverse. All right. So once that is loose, this cover will just pop right off. Be careful not to drop any of these bolts. Let's set that there. Underneath here, we are going to unplug these here. Should be 4 of those. And to make life a little easier, I'm just going to take this and set that a little bit to the back. Now we're going to undo these bolts here. Take each one of these out. Now this is a 10mm socket. So that was for the cover as well as these 4 here. All we're going to do is wiggle these now, pull, and they should come right up. Now if there's any oil on here, or if you pull these out and it's got oil on the bottom, that's not a good sign. You might have a leak. So what I'm going to do is just set these aside in the exact same order that I take them out. Okay, once all those pieces have been removed, this exposes us to the spark plugs inside the hole. What I'm going to do is use this 16mm socket as well as an adapter or an extension piece, and then I'm going to hand unscrew these. I'm not going to use a drill on this one here. So we just stick that right in there. Now you'll feel when it's kind of loose, and then we could just try to pull up on it. Nope. Okay, so here's a little trick for you. We've got the spark plug loosened in there. It's not coming out. It's fully loosened though. But sometimes you have enough play that it'll pull out with the socket. What we're gonna actually do is, remember this piece that we removed earlier? The spark plug actually plugs right into this. So what we can do is we could take this again, push that in there, and voila, here is your spark plug. So we'll just detach it from this here. All right, here you can see this plug is pretty worn out. Look at that. The tip, it's not terrible, but it could be replaced. This car is about 8 years old. I don't think it's ever been replaced, to be honest. Here are my replacements. Pick these up on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Here's what the new one looks like. So all we gotta do now is take this again, put it on our socket, and then screw it right back into place. I'll just hand tighten this in first. All right, we're gonna come back here. I don't have a torque wrench at the moment, but should be fine or sufficient to hand tighten this. So that's about hand tightened, and then just give it a little quarter turn. Should be good. All right, now we're just gonna take the tops, place those right back on there. Now we're just going to tighten these down. These don't have to be too tight, they just kind of hold it into place. Hook these back up. Make sure you hear a click. All right. Nice. Now we'll grab our cover. Make sure we don't drop any of these bolts while we're placing it back on here. And then again, the cover just pretty much holds it in, so. Now we are all done. Let's start up the car. Let's test out our work. Nice. There we go. Everything's working. So you guys found the video helpful. Please leave me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more car videos. Check out all my Acura videos over there. Leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.